OK, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
Oh! What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait, here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your x-ray.
Will it hurt?
No.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's so tumble.
Don't move. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
Let's see.
We'll go and we'll come back.
Go.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.
Let's love sign. Children. Children. You sign. Children. Good. Children.
Joe, get on the bed, please. Oh. We need to get you a blanket.
A blanket? My next delivery. Wait, here. Loads of blankets. Oh, Archie.
Okay.
Oh.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, Sorry. Oh, blankets.
All you had?
No! It's mine! No!
Stop, Joe. And let's look at your foot.
Oh.
So I give it.
I got scared!
Looks like you're gonna need a wheelchair.
A wheelchair?
Yeah.
My third delivery? Wait here!
You can walk.
Good news, Joe. Look, your x-ray's back and your toe's not broken.
Joe. Not walking.
Thank you, Archie. I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come on, let's get an x-ray.
Good boy, thanks a million. That's great. Now. We do, that was fantastic. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, we're finished. Your knee and your head will be okay.
Joe, would you like lollipop for being so good?
I would love a lollipop.
Go and ask the nurse for a lollipop.
Let's love sign. Nurse. Nurse. You sign. Nurse. Good. Nurse.
Hello, Joe. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, the doctor said I can have a lollipop because I was so good.
I'm really sorry, Joe. I have no lollipops left.
It's empty.
Wait here. Lollipops.
Let me help.
Be careful! Oh no! I love lollipops.
My head is still sore. Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Joe. Did you make the deliveries to the doctor's office yet?
Yes,
Come back to the depot.
I'm coming, but it may take a while because I have a sore knee. Thank you for all your help, but I have to go back to work. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Joe.
Bye. Thanks for home.
Wait, Joe. You forgot your device.
Thank you.
Goodbye.